So I started by drawing the eyelid. Tear dot like that. Don't be afraid to draw your lines. Don't worry, you have an eraser so you can always rub it off if you made a mistake. Okay. Now control the way you use your lines. Some you might want to have some lines to be lighter while some to be darker. Okay, so remember the principle of drawing the iris. The iris goes in underneath the eyelid. This iris is too big, but it's fine because some people actually have big iris. Okay, so this goes under there, this goes under there. So you can curve it a bit. Now I'll draw the like this. I'm leaving the space um, for the highlight. So the highlight comes in here. Don't worry about that. So this is what we're going to work with, and we're going to start shading. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to shade off some part of this like that. I'm using 6B pencil. So underneath the eyelid there's a shadow that casts under this the iris from the eyelid. So the tear dots, we have something like this here. Okay, then eyelid goes like that, and there's a little line underneath here. I think I'm fine with this, and just shade roughly like that. Then in here the pupil, shade it properly. Okay, so that's looking nice. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is just put the shade in there, is to shade this up. So this is actually really easy and fast. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to smudge it. So I'll start from here. I can smudge like that. So try as much as possible not to smudge right here. So I'm just trying to make it look so soft. So smudging, so I'm making these lines to be soft. It gives it that. Okay, so what I'm going to do next now is I'm going to shade here, close to it, around here. So you can see I'm smudging very, very close to this. So smudge, making it look soft. Smudge all the lines, make sure it's properly soft. So you can draw over the lines again. What it is. Don't worry if it's too dark, you cannot use your eraser to lighten this up. So I'm going to smudge here, just a little there, here, it's fine. Then smudge. The beautiful thing about using eraser is you can make your highlight to be very, 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 very bright. So just doing this. So the sclera is just a bit white, so I'll just add a bit of shade at the corner there and there. Alright, add um, dark lines. I'm not adding the lashes yet because that's the last thing I'm going to do. Okay, so there. You know, I said that before. I use my eraser to add lines if I want to. If you like, you can add the lines there like this. I want it to be highlight. And these highlights to be there. You can see that gives it a very unique. Makes it to pop like this. The lines. I don't want the lines to be too obvious. You know, this lines makes it really looks nice. So you can see there. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to add the eyelashes. The eyelash is going to be the last thing now. So that's what I've just done was to rub the bottom of this part off a bit, then I insert this underneath, so the eye did overlap the iris. So that was what I did. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to continue to draw the eyelashes upward like that. You can see I'm drawing it like this, pulling it out like that. And here it's just comes out to it. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.